Sri Gurubhyo Namaha children, welcome to our online teaching academy, Ekalaiva, 10th standard, state board, mathematics. Already we completed exercise number 1.1, 5 sums. Now I proceed with 6th question. The question given here, let A equal to x belongs to W, capital W. What do you mean by that capital W? Which belongs to whole number and such that x will be less than 2. They given the A set in descriptive form. They given A set in set builder form. We have to convert the set builder form in form of roster form. Then only we can able to complete our Cartesian product. Then B set they given as x belongs to capital N. Capital N means natural number such that 1 less than x less than or equal to 4. So, how we are going to take the x value? They given the limitation from 1 we should not take 1 because they did not give an equal to symbol over there, only they given less than. So, we should not take 1 next number 2, we have to take from 2, 3, then next number is 4, here they given equal to symbol. So, we can have to take the 4 also, and C they given in a roster form itself with 3, 5. They ask you to verify the first subdivision as A cross B union C will be equal to A cross B union A cross C. To prove this, first we have to list out the given A set, B set, C set in the form of roster form. Then only we can able to do the Cartesian product. So, first I will write the given with the A set, they given as x belongs to capital W such that x will be less than 2. They given in a set builder form. So, with this we can get the value of A, that means the set A will be as whole number will starts with 0. So, 0, 1, next to 2, here they did not give an equal to symbol. So, we should not take the number 2. So, we can complete the A set as 0, 1. Are you clear children? A set is 0, 1. Then I proceed with the B set. They given the B set also in a set builder form, x belongs to natural number such that 1 less than x less than or equal to 4 will gives the B set as, we should not take 1 next number 2, 3, then we have to take 4 also because they are given here equal to symbol. So, you can write this B set as 2, 3, 4. Are you clear with the B set? Then they given the C set as 3, 5. Are you clear children? How we get the value set A, B, C? After deriving the A set, B set, C set in roster form, we have to proceed with our first subdivision. They given the first subdivision as A cross B union C. So, I will write the first subdivision to prove A cross B union C equal to A cross B union A cross C. I will take LHS first. LHS A cross B union C. To prove A cross B union C, first we have to finish the given with brackets. So, they gave B union C in bracket. I have to find this B union C. We know the B set is 2, 3, 4 union C set is 3, 5 because we get this set no. B set is 2, 3, 4, C set is 3, 5. Then take it as a union part. Union means together we have to write all those elements by ascending order or descending order, but the repetition should not be allowed. So, here you can write 2, 3, 4, 5. This is our B union C. Then we have to proceed with A cross B union C. With A set, we receive the A set as 0 and 1 cross B union C set 2, 3, 4, 5. Then get the Cartesian product with the first element in the first set with each and every element in the next set. As we make it as a pair 0, 2, 0, 3, 0, 4, 0, 5, then 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 4 and 1, 5, close that bracket. Make this as equation number 1, because they given you to prove. To prove we have to mention with LHS part as first equation and RHS part as second equation. Then I will take RHS A cross B union A cross C. First we have to finish that A cross B. A cross B. A set we have 0, 1 cross B set 2, 3, 4. Getting this cross product, we will get the cross product as 0, 2, 0, 3, 0, 4. Then next one 1, 2, 1, 3 and 1, 4. This is our set A cross B. Then we have to proceed with next one A cross C. A cross C, our A set 0, 1 cross C set 3, 5. Get the Cartesian product 0, 3, 0, 5, 1, 3, 1, 5. Then we proceed with our RHS part A cross B union A cross C. So, they given here union part. Union part means we have to write all the given pairs in a order, but the repetition should not be allowed. So, here this 0, 3 and 0, 3 and then that is it is repeated 1, 3. These two pairs are repeated. So, no need to write for 2 times, write only 1 times, that is enough. So, you may write this union part as 0, 2, 0, 3, 0, 5, then 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 4. Sorry, here we have one part. Zero, 3 we left one pair 0, 4, then 0, 5, then 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 4, 1, 5. We make this as equation number 2. Finally, we have to compare with these two equations. We get the same ordered pairs. So, we can justify from 1 and 2. LHS equal to RHS. So, we can prove this A cross B union C will be equal to A cross B union A cross C. Hence, we proved the first subdivision. Are you clear, children? So, we completed only first subdivision for the given set A, B, C. Like this, they given remaining 2 more subdivisions. We will complete those 2 second subdivision. A cross B intersection C equal to A cross B intersection A cross C. So, here in previous first subdivision they given union part, the second subdivision they given intersection part. Okay, but the set A, B, C are same only, same set only we are going to follow for the second subdivision also. So, I will proceed with the LHS part. A cross B intersection C. B intersection C we need to complete, because what they given in bracket we have to complete. B set 2, 3, 4 intersection C set 3, 5. So, which element is common to over here? Here we get the common element as 3 only. So, I can write the common element as 3 because intersection means only common element we have to write. Then complete our first subdivision LHS A cross B intersection C equal to A set 0, 1 cross C set 3. Get this Cartesian product 0, 3, 1, 3 and mention this as equation number 3 because already we have 1, 2 in the first subdivision. If they given 3 subdivisions continuously means we have to use the next equation number. If they given only one subdivision to you in the exam sheet means you can solve first part alone with first equation and second equation. So, we will mention this as equation number 3. Then I will proceed with RHS A cross B intersection A cross C. So, A cross B intersection A cross C, again you have to find this A cross B. A set 0, 1 cross B set 2, 3, 4. So, get the cross product for A cross B 0, 2, 0, 3, 0, 4, then 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 4. Next we need to complete our Cartesian product for A cross C. A cross C Cartesian product A set 0, 1 cross C set 3, 5. Get the cross product for these two sets. Write the cross product as 0, 3, 0, 5, 1, 3, then 1, 5. We completed A cross B, A cross C. Then RHS part they told you to find the intersection part. So, we will find the intersection part as A cross B intersection A cross C will be equal to. So, intersection part means common pair we have to write. So, what are the common pair we have from both the sets? We have common pair as 0, 3, then 1, 3. Only these two pairs are common with these two sets. So, I will write the common pair as 0, 3 and 1, 3 mentioning equation number 4. Fourth equation. When we observe from the third equation and fourth equation, we get the pairs are set of ordered pairs are equal. So, you can mention that here from 3 and 4 LHS equal to RHS A cross B intersection C equal to A cross B intersection A cross C, hence proved. Are you clear, children? So, we complete our second subdivision with the same set A, B, C. So, each and every subdivisions carries 5 marks to you. If they given 2 subdivisions with 5 marks also you have to write. Okay. So, next they given third subdivision A union B cross C equal to A cross C union B cross C. So, for this third subdivision also we have to use the same set A, B, C. So, here I will write LHS A union B cross C. First we will write given in bracket A union B. Our A set 0, 1 union B set 2, 3, 4. So, I can write union part. Union part means together you have to write in a order, but no repetition. So, we completed this A union B. Then A union B cross C. So, A union B cross C means A union B set is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 cross C set is 3, 5. Then get the cross product. 0, 3, 0, 5, 1, 3, 1, 5, 2, 3, 2, 5, 3, 3, 3, 5, 4, 3, 4, 5. Mentioning equation number 5, because for those two subdivisions we completed equation number 1, 2, 3, 4. For the third subdivision we will use 5 and 6. So, LHS part completed. Then I will write RHS. RHS they given as A cross C union B cross C. So, in A cross C union B cross C, first we have to find the A cross C. A cross C means A set 0, 1 cross C set 3, 5. Get this value of A cross C. 0, 3, 0, 5, 1, 3, 1, 5. Then next to a part they given in the RHS as B cross C. Write the B set 2, 3, 4 cross C set 3, 5. Get the Cartesian product 2, 3, 2, 5, 3, 3, 3, 5, 4, 3 and 4, 5. After finishing this A cross C, B cross C, we need to write the RHS part. RHS part they given here as to get the union of these two sets A cross C union B cross C. To write the union, we have to write all the pairs in a order and no repetition should be allowed. So, I can write this as 0, 3, 0, 5, 1, 3, 1, 5, 2, 3, 2, 5, 3, 3, 3, 5 and mentioning this as equation number 6. Finally, we have to compare with 5th equation and 6th equation. We get same ordered pair. So, these two are equal. So, from 5 and 6, we get LHS equal to RHS. You can write this answer as A union B cross C equal to A cross C union B cross C. We proved this, hence proved. Are you clear, children? This third subdivision. So, only with this set A, B, C, we completed these 3 subdivisions as a question number 6. Clear? Thank you, children. To receive our online classes, please press the subscribe button and you will get the latest updates. Thank you.
SRMJV is not just a school, it's a one-time experience.
VM Nagar, Tiruvallur.